Robert with GenXComputers.com. YouTube user, big on you. Okay, I want to give you a quick fix for something today. I was trying to set up my Logitech Harmony 300, and I was having issues with it syncing with the computer. I have Windows 7 on this computer, Windows 7 32-bit, and I was having all kind of problems. I tried replacing the batteries. I tried different USB cords. As you can see here, nothing was working. Absolutely nothing was working. I even tried with Firefox, which was my first install, and that didn't take either. It just continued, then it stopped. What I ended up doing was, on the Internet Explorer, something really simple, was hit compatibility mode up here. So if you check that, or if you click on that, it turns blue or unblue. You could go into compatibility mode. When you click on it and it's blue, it's in compatibility mode. Then I signed in, and it synced up again, and it worked perfect. And as you saw when I first put it down, it was at the congratulations mode, and here I am with my remote working, and I have no more issues with it not working. So, quick fix from YouTube user, big on you, at GenXComputers.com.